好，各位同學睇下 DSE Physics Paper 2E3 Energy Use of Energy 2026年嘅第8條啦。Which of the following is the impacts on the environment of 一個 nuclear power plant？OK 一個核能嘅發電站。OK 咁佢有咩 impact 對於 environment？咁做具體啊，第一 warm water discharge into rivers OK，and seas cause thermal pollution。OK 有啲叫做熱污染啊，咁佢即係熱咗，OK，佢令到周圍嘅海岸線嗰啲啲河流等等嗰啲咧就會加熱咗。OK，咁係會有影響㗎，係有影響㗎。其實 OK 掉咗啲廢熱啦，我哋話掉啲廢熱出去個海嘅時候咧，唔好以為冇事，其實就係令到周圍嘅海嘅溫度上升咧，其實係會加速咗一啲藻類嘅生長等等嗰啲嘅。咁其實係會影響咗喺個海洋生態裏邊嘅平衡嘅。OK，咁即係譬如啲魚嘅本身佢生活喺10度咁嘅環境點知你掉啲 heat 出去喎，令到佢啲海水升咗溫喎，咁佢咪係一個炎熱嘅環境生活咯。OK，咁好似而家大家一樣咯，係咪喺一個咁熱嘅地方生活，咁熱嘅香港生活咯，咁就會有啲人頂唔順，咁就會有一啲魚頂唔順，咁佢就會死啦，或者係搬咗啦，咁或者佢生長得唔好啦，咁樣。咁所以呢個係絕對會嘅，因為核電廠其實點解要喺啲沿海地區興建，就係因為佢要靠海水咧去幫佢做箍單啊。OK，咁呢個係再牽涉到佢個成個 nuclear power plant 佢裏邊嗰個結構同設計啦。咁我哋就係有3個循環嘅水啦。OK，咁第一個循環就去帶走啲 heat 啦，第二個循環去煲水啦，第三個循環就係帶走啲廢熱啦。OK，即係太多嘅我哋孤單翻佢啦。好，呢個第一句正確。第二，the release of sulfur dioxide cause acid rain。OK，咁喺一個 nuclear power plant 裏邊我哋有冇 release of sulfur dioxide 咧？release of sulfur dioxide 最主要係因為咩啊？因為燒嘢係因為燒 fossil fuel 化石燃料先至會 release sulfur dioxide。雖然佢呢個講緊 sulfur dioxide cause acid rain 咁啱唔啱啊？咁當然啱啦咁但係喺 nuclear power plants 裏邊就唔會 release sulfur dioxide 啦。OK，我哋 nuclear power plant 基本上係無煙嘅。OK，好乾淨嘅。不過就會有好多嘅 radioactive 嘅source radioactive 嘅一啲嘅waste 出現咗啦。好，咁第三啦，the release of greenhouse gases during the nuclear reactions cause global warming。係咪咁佢會唔會有 release of greenhouse gases 好似頭先咁講啦，其實佢係冇任何呢啲 gases 嘅 pollution 嘅。OK，佢係冇 air pollution 嘅喺呢個 nuclear power plant 裏邊。佢最主要嘅 pollution 就係有 radioactive 嘅 waste 嘅啫。OK，咁所以佢都唔會令到有增加咗 greenhouse gases 嘅。OK，咁所以答案基本上就係1 only 就係 A 啦。